we're going to draw a bar chart. To draw a bar chart, we need a pen and pencil and a ruler and some squared paper or your maths book, and we also need some data. The data I've collected is about bird species I saw in my garden over an hour-long period, and I've got the bird species I saw here. I chose to do 6, and the frequency, the number of times I saw them here. So I need that, and I'll pop that to one side for a moment. Now, I recommend drawing our bar chart sort of in the centre of our page so that we've got some movement in terms of how long our axes are. Those are the lines that go across. I've got 6 bird species. So I'm going to draw this axis across here first, and I'll just draw a line first up. Okay, and then I want to fit 6 across, and I think I could do each one 2 wide. So we'll do the other axis up here, and then each one 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how I've put those little lines on top of the lines that were already there. Then I'm going to write the names in. Woodpecker doesn't quite fit, so I can use a hyphen to put it over onto the other line. And I'm writing these exactly underneath the 2 spaces I've designed. Okay, that's my first category. Now I need to label what that is, because without explaining it, it doesn't mean a lot. So these are bird species. Often you can use the heading that was on the table to help you with that. Now I'm going to do this side, and this is going to show how many of each one I saw. Now my highest frequency, the highest number I collected was 7. So I need to go up to 7. In drawing a bar chart, it might be you need to go up to 170, or it might be you need to go up to 20, and you might not have 170 squares or 20 squares even. So I'm going to use that 1 square means 1 bird, but you might want to use 1 square means 2, or 1 square means 5, 1 square means 10, or even in some graphs you'll see 1 square mean 10,000 if they want it to, but they have to all mean the same. So I can't make this one mean 1 and then this one mean 2 and then this one mean 10. They've all got to be the same interval, the same gap between each one. So mine only needs to go up to 7, so I'm just going to go up in 1s. This first one is 1, this isn't 0, I'm going to mark 0, it's there. And again, notice how I'm marking on the line, not between the lines, and my numbers go on the line, not between the lines. Okay, now it's time to draw. Oh, I haven't done my title over here. This title, again, you can use your table to help you. This title is frequency, or how many. Okay, and I'll underline that title. Got my ruler here. Right, now it's time to draw the bars. So the first bar is woodpecker, and I only saw 1 woodpecker. I see him quite a lot, but I think he's all the same one, so I didn't count him as more than 1. He was in a tree near my garden. Next one was magpie, which was 3. So magpie, 3. Now this line just goes above the section that says magpie. Sometimes people make the mistake of doing it all across to the axis. Just goes there. Next one was blue tip, which was 2. There's the number 2. Just the 2 across above the bit I've put blue tip. Next one was pigeon, which was 6. Pheasant was 3. And lastly, sparrow was 7. Ruler's really handy, look, because I can see I'm at 7. And then above the sparrow, there we go. Okay, so far it looks very nice, but it's meaningless without a title, because I've not explained what this is. So this is birds seen in my garden during 1 hour, and I'm going to add in June, and I actually think it would be really interesting to do the same test and see what difference it would make if you did it in like October or December even. Okay, you can obviously colour the bars in, but that is a bar chart.